Hello, I'm Roger Jimenez and I'm going to present you the two activities I've designed from the text called, text in here, called The Dangers of Social Networking, why you need to be careful. This activity is going to take place on a 4th of ESO class studying philosophy in click mode. That's it. That's content language integrated learning. As we are in a philosophy class, I found it more interesting, and as the text is not a very difficult one, the terminology is not very difficult one, I found it more interesting to try to first do an activity related to the comprehension of the text, understanding of the text, and a second activity that it's a debate. Wants to make students express orally their points of view about the issues that the text brings about. So the first activity is in the first activity students are asked to read the text and then they'll have to answer a set of true-false questions. After that, they will have to rewrite those very same sentences so they express the contrary the contrary. This is then a reading and writing activity intended to test their conversation and their proficiency of English. The second activity, it's a debate, as I said. The debate is called "In Which Side Are You?" For organizing this debate, we will need an empty class, and we'll prepare 4 cards. Each one of these cards will express a degree of agreement. So we'll have one card saying totally agree, another one saying I agree, another one saying disagree, and the last one saying totally disagree. These four cards will be placed in each corner of the room, and the students will stand in the center of the room. Then the teacher will screen one of the various sentences related with the text they have already read. Along with the sentence, we'll show some keywords that should be used in the foregoing debate. The sentences then express an idea in the text. When the sentence is read aloud, they will have 50 seconds, half a minute or 1 minute to think about what what's their opinion, and then they should move to the corner that best expresses their opinion. Once everyone has to move, once everyone is placed in one of the corners, they will have to discuss in couples using the keywords why they have chosen the corresponding option, the option they are in. They will have to do this for 3 minutes in pairs, in couples. Once they've done this for 3 minutes, a debate begins with someone standing in the opposite corner. They have to use the keywords as well. This debate will take about 5 minutes, and once this second part of the debate is finished, students will have the chance to move to another position. If they change their opinion, they can move and stand in another place different than the one they chosen in the first place. We'll repeat this for several times, exposing different statements like I'm not only what I post on social media, or parents have the right and the duty to monitor what children do on the internet, or human relations have improved thank you to social networking. These are then the two activities. The purpose of the activities is first then to understand the text and being able to rewrite a sentence related to it. The second part, apart from training oral expression, and debate, is meant to change participants' points of view about what they think privacy is, or security or internet is, as well as to make them realize which is their role as members of society and members of social networking. We have to remember that we are in a philosophy class and we are thinking about issues that are from today, problems related to today's situation and the world of today, and related to how we experience the world and the relations in the world, and problems that are arised by computers in this case. With debate, we also want to encourage everyone to speak and to break cognitive barriers. Ideally, the aim would be to to show how sometimes it's very difficult to accept someone others people opinion, or to change our point of view. We tend to take part very rapidly and not listen really to what people say. The innovative part of the debate, I think, that comes from the fact that people are moving. They are not standing around. They are not sitting, but they are standing and they can move. We recently know that when body is implied in learning, the learning is more effective and it's better acquired. As well, moving and expressing while you move or while you stand involves an integration of mind and body. The difficulties that can arise from this activity are mainly linked to people not wanting to participate. Of course, that this is an activity that should take place after having done a previous work with students in making them comfortable to express and making them um, habituated or used to work in cooperative groups. They have to be used to debate, to change points of view and opinions, and to be and to feel free to express. That's a part of the work that it's usually made in a philosophy class in fourth of ESO, where debates are an important part of teaching and practice. So an heterogeneous group now in this case can be can prompt a very fruitful discussion, but we have to be also conscious that uh, a similar level in English would be better, so it will make the debate more fluid. If students have very different level in English, the debate is going to be quite quite less interesting. But well, that's our task to give the opportunity to everyone to express and get to English. Thank you very much. I hope you find this activity interesting as well and that you enjoyed. Thank you.